If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to create an account and get $15 off when upgrading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add buy and sell signals on TradingView. First, you'll need to download the application on your desktop or mobile app, but you can also search it to Chrome, Safari, or anything web browser you are using. Now click the indicators, then search for range filter. You'll see here the buy and sell. Once it shows, click the first selection and select the range filter buy and sell 5 minutes, and it will automatically add the buy and sell signal on your TradingView account. And that's it. That's how to add buy and sell signals on TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.